Hey PYT Squad, it's your girl Sashi E. Thanks so much for tuning into another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to do a quick and easy hairstyle for your middle school girls. This hairstyle took about 20 minutes. Before I get started, I do have a little disclaimer. My baby sister is so tender-headed. This girl literally flinches when I part her hair. Let me know in the comments if y'all have tender-headed kids at home. Also, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I am using Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner to add extra moisture. I didn't want her to have straight parts. The goal was to create a crescent-shaped moon part with alternating big and small braids. For her first braid, I did use Eco Styler gel, but for every other braid, I switched to jam because the Eco Styler gel was curling up her hair while I was braiding it. And I know y'all, my comb do look a little raggedy, but if y'all want bomb crisp parts, your comb gotta look like this. Also, I do have a slowed down clip at timestamp 3 minutes and 57 seconds, which shows the crescent shaped parts and the alternating big and small braids. In this clip, you're able to see a more in-depth version of the parts and braids. In this clip, I used both Jam and Eco Styler gel to smooth her hair into a ponytail. This is the Jamaican Twist Curly Drawstring Ponytail in the color 1. I purchased it from my local beauty supply store for $9.99. The ponytail is available online and I will link it in the description box. We don't need no accidents, sis, so make sure you secure your drawstring ponytail with some bobby pins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting my next video this upcoming Sunday. Bye!